Well, here goes the end of week 1. New block. Still doing the barbell medicine bridge. Gonna do 7 weeks of this 8-week program. Starting off with hypers as usual, and I've found myself a bit of a sore throat, but it's not terrible. I thought I was feeling kind of tired after work today. I thought maybe I'll take a day off. It's like, nah, I already took 2 days off. Let's just get at it. And what a surprise. Let's deadlift. We're starting off with a moderate stress week, so only 3 sets of 5. But worked up to 275 for 5. Feeling really strong. Didn't have any issues with rounding of the back or losing my form, so I like what I see. I'm happy with what I did, so I'll call it a win. And of course, using the deadlift shoes today, we're going to switch them out to the squat shoes so I can bench with my feet flat on the floor. Let's go. Not gonna lie, feeling a little tired after all deadlifting and still coughing a bit, but you know, got 185 for 5 for my final set on bench. Wicked. That's great. That's about where I should be. So again, coming into the gym feeling like garbage, coming out feeling fantastic. It's wonderful what this stuff does. Let's squat. So I keep telling myself, I'm not going to do these 303 squats. They're brutal. They're like running a marathon for me. I don't know what it is. But I squat slow anyway, so it's not that much different. But 8 reps, yeah, I kept it moderate stress for sure. RPE 8. Probably less RPE, but more puffed out. I was really puffed out by the last one. So it was still a good workout, like fantastic. Loving the depth on these, just fine. Bar path moving nice and straight. And my head's not cranking back, looking up as I'm moving. Yeah, feels really good. I'm gonna try some pull-ups now. Been adding accessories on to everything this program has. So today we're gonna do some pull-ups. Doing sets of 3 earlier in the week. Now I'm doing sets of 4. 3 sets, RP 7, and I'm going to work our way up to 5s probably next week. And that's it. Heart rate monitors on the fritz. I have no idea how long that took or how hard it was, but I'm puffed out and my chest is sore. So, yay. It's all good. Take a couple days off and we'll see you next time.